Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. In our episode of Cameraman Dave's Big Genes Show, we learned that parents and offspring look like each other, but never exactly like each other. The same concept applies to plants. Well, today we're going to play a matching game to see if we can match the baby plant to the adult plant.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
For this game, I just went online and Googled some images of plants. I Googled baby images of plants and adult images of plants. I chose strawberries, tomatoes, a maple tree, some carrots, a pine tree, and soybeans, because I love some edamame. Ronnie's rule for this activity is to always ask an adult before going on the internet. It's a little bit harder to identify a parent plant and a baby plant because you have to look very closely at the leaves and other parts of the plant. So on one side, I have the adult plants, and on the other side, I have the baby plants. Before I cut them out, I wrote on the back of them which plant they were so I can fact check myself at the end. It's a pretty easy game. I'm just going to analyze the adult plants and the baby plants and see if I can pair together the parents with their offspring. Okay, I think I did it. I think I matched the parent plant to the correct offspring plants. The way I did it is I looked at all of the leaves and looked at the leaf shape. Some of them were a little bit close, so I might be wrong on a couple of them, so we'll see how it goes. So let's see, this first one I think is the maple. Yeah. This next one I thought was the pine. Yeah, pine tree. This one I wasn't super sure of, so we'll see if I got this one right. Oh no, the soybean and the tomato I goofed up. That's okay. You can kind of take a look at it at the end. Carrots, I'm pretty sure I got that one right. Yeah. And then strawberries. Yeah, and then here's the tomato, and here's the soybean. So let's see. So I goofed up. I thought these two belong to each other, but really it was this one that belonged there. Oh yeah, I kind of see it now. This one has more pointed sort of leaves that matches that offspring plant. And then this one definitely has more rounded leaves. That's okay though, because they both really look alike. There's just green leaves and not much else to go off of. So why don't you go and find some pictures of parent plants and their offspring and try it yourself. I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley.